Hello everyone, my name is Shayan Ghosh. I am a member of the team Phoenix, and today is our topic is Indigenous Cryptocurrency Investigation Tool. Okay, let us discuss about the idea or approach details, how we are approaching to the problem statement. Uh, we are using six currencies here. They are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Monero, Dash, and Dogecoin. These are the six currencies we are trying to detect and implement. At first, we are taking the public key as our input and checking the public key's regular expression. We are trying to match the regular expression of these six currencies public keys, and if it is not matched, we can definitely say that the public key is not valid. We are, if the regular expression checking matched, then we are proceeding for the further checking. So if it is matched, we can say that the regular expression is matched or the pattern of the public key is matched with any of the currencies. Like if anyone gives us of a Bitcoin public key, then if the regular expression of the public key is matched, we can say that the pattern matched with the Bitcoin public key. Then we are decoding the public key using the base 58 check, and after decoding, from the decoded part, we are checking the pattern of the zeroth index. If the zeroth index pattern matched, then we are proceeding for the further checking. If it is not matched, we are saying that public is syntactically valid but not properly encoded. If it is matched, then we are extracting checksum from the decoded part, and rest of the part we are storing as hash 160. From the hash 160 part, we are encrypt that. We are encrypting using SHA-256. After encrypting, we are extracting the checksum from the computed part or the encrypted part, and checking if the new checksum and the previous checksum are matched or not. If they are matched, then we can say that it is properly encoded and also encrypted. If it is not matched, then we can say it is not a valid, it is not properly encrypted and not also a valid currency. If it is matched, we are passing it through a API. We are fetching an API and passing it to see that it is really existed in the cryptocurrencies block or not. If it is really existed, we can say that it is a valid public key, and if it is not existed, obviously it is not a valid public key. Its checksum pattern also matched. It is a regular expression pattern match, but if it is not exist in the block, then we can really say that, definitely say that it is not a valid public key. So implementing that, we are using some technology stack, like we are using the programming language Python, and for implementing it in a website, we are using HTML, CSS, and from the backend, we are using the Python framework Django. For the databases, we are using SQLite, and some libraries we are fetching like regular expression, RE, base 58 check, and hashlib. For the API checking, we are using blockchain.com, Coin API, BTC.com, and CoinGecko. And for deploying it in a server, we are using Virtual Cloud Platform. Now, the use cases of our tool. Our tool can be used as as checking the public key is valid or not. We can show the transaction details like final balance, number of transaction, total balance received. These also can be shown by our tool, and our tool is able to convert the currency values like INR to Bitcoin, or Bitcoin to Ether, or dollar to Bitcoin. In our tool, the detailed investigation of any cryptocurrency's blockchain is present, and tracking the current value of any cryptocurrency is also possible by our tool. We have some dependencies also. We are dependent on the provided public key. The public key we are taking as input. We are obviously dependent on that. And for the API checking, we are fetching some API, so we are dependent on the APIs also, and some libraries we are using that are irregular expression, base 58 check, and hashlib. This is also our dependencies. And for showstopper, because we are bounded on the 6 currencies, we cannot detect any other currency public key if provided. If beyond that 6 currencies, the Bitcoin, Monero, Ethereum, Tether, Dash, and the Dogecoin, beyond these currencies, we cannot detect any of the currencies public key. If provided, our tool will show that this is not a valid public key. Okay, here is our team details, the details of our team members, and the detail of our mentor. Thank you.